It is not uncommon to hear people say, oh, I am already doing adequate retirement investing, so I don't need life insurance. Or, oh, I have life insurance, so why should I be spending more money investing for retirement? Today, we're going to talk about the role of adequate insurance and retirement investing when it comes to building wealth. Hi there, my name is Dotun Afouda. I'm a licensed insurance advisor based here in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. And you are welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as I am sure a lot of the information you find here, you will find it valuable, and everyone in your network would also find it valuable. Let's get into it. What is the role of insurance when it comes to building wealth? So insurance, or adequate insurance, protects against a specific risk. And what is that risk? That risk is that a person passes away untimely, or the tragedy of a critical illness strikes during the person's core working years. Now, anybody that is building wealth or that has built wealth knows that building wealth is a long-term game. Now, while you are building wealth, when your investments, it's not enough to take care of tragedies, right? Insurance is what takes away that risk from you and your family. So think about it this way. If you start building wealth in your 20s, you are probably looking at becoming a millionaire somewhere around your 40s if we're looking at a 8 to 10% rate of return annually. But if anything happens between that time, your investment would not be enough to take care of your financial responsibilities to your family. And that is where life insurance kicks in. So life insurance protects against the eventuality of untimely death. And I also talk to people about critical illness insurance, because death is not always the worst thing that can happen to the family's finances. Let's say, for example, a person has to battle a life-threatening cancer at some point in their life, right? And they have to stop work for 6 months. What would that mean for the wealth they are building, right? Even if they can survive not working for 6 months, most likely it would mean they would have to start liquidating the investments they were already building for their retirement. But if they had adequate critical illness insurance, if they ever have to battle a life-threatening critical illness like cancer, right, they would be able to get that lump sum and take care of their financial responsibilities during that period where they are nursing their health. So that is where life insurance and critical illness insurance comes in when it comes to wealth building. Retirement investing, on the other hand, protects against the risk of you actually living long. I know most people don't see it as a risk. Most people even pray for it. But if you actually live long beyond the age 65, most likely you wouldn't even have the capacity to work like you had been working before. Now, if you have not been investing for this risk, right, that means you would have to keep working well into your old age in order to continue to pay your bills, because bills never stop. It doesn't matter whether you are young or you are old, bills just don't stop. Retirement investing is what ensures that if you do live long beyond the age of 65, you can kick back, relax, and allow your investments to pay for your lifestyle without actively working. We see many people in their retirement age today who actually have to work in order to survive. That is not a situation anybody should be in. So if you are serious about building wealth, you should have adequate insurance protection in place to protect you if tragedy strikes on your journey to wealth building. And you should also be investing adequately towards your retirement to protect you at that time when you cannot actively work anymore in order to pay your bills. So this is how this goes hand in hand. And I'm sure you would want to build wealth in an efficient way. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about this or any comments, please leave it in the comment section. I like to go through them and also answer questions. And if you want to connect with me, you can always send me an email here, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.